let's scale, move, and rotate in 2 axes at once. So when you're usually, selecting your object, press Tab, press A to select everything, and then when you want to scale, you press S, or you press R to rotate, or you push G to move or grab. Now, if you press any of those, like G for example, and you hold middle mouse click, you will move in one axis that you're dragging towards. Or you can press, for example, G and Z, and you will move in the axes of the letter you press, so Z, X, and Y. Same with your scaling, same with your rotation. Now, sometimes you want to, move in 2 axes at once. Let's say you got this on a flat surface. So I'm going to push Tab and go into object mode, and I want to sort of slide it across that surface without going inside it, and I want to, not have to move in 2 axes. So to do that, in this example, we're going to push G, and you're going to press Shift and Z, and you will exclude the Z axis, meaning it will move on sort of a flat surface. This works if you rotate, so let's do Y for this one. So Shift Y, and your scale, so S, Shift, X. And that is how you scale, move, and rotate in 2 axes at once.